Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to share your live location on Google Maps. So without any delay, let's get started. For launch the Google Map application on your mobile device. Make sure your current location is accurately displayed on the map. Now you can just click on your location. This should appear. Then you'll just have to click on share your location, which is on second option. As you can see, you can now share your live location to any of your chats as well as your contacts, or you can easily copy your link to the clipboard. After that, you can just select any application and now you can choose anybody you would like to share your location and just paste it and send it. So now the recipient can easily see your live location that you have just sent them. So this is how you can easily share your live location on Google Maps. That's the end of today's video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned till our next upload.